Brushing our teeth is our foremost activity in the morning and needs our special attention. Good dental health is not only extremely important for oral health but also for complete well-being. Electric toothbrushes are the latest advancement that ease our morning routine along with the added benefits of brushing for optimal time and easy upkeep of the brush head. So in this video I am going to show you top 5 best electric toothbrush that you can consider to buy in 2021 and 2022. So do watch the video till the end and do let me know in the comment section which electric toothbrush did you like the most. Don't forget to hit that like button, do share this video among your friends and subscribe my channel. Philips Sonicare Diamond Clean 9000. If you are a kind of a person who must have the best of everything, behold the Diamond Clean 9000, your search is over. The Diamond Clean 9000 adds an app that is actually quite useful. It will let you know if you are not brushing frequently enough and tells you when the brush head needs changing. The good thing about the 9000 series app is that it doesn't get bogged down in trying to detect where in your mouth you are cleaning, a highly frustrating feature that some other recent smart brushes have tried unsuccessfully to implement. Everything about the Series 9000 feels high-end, from the slim and tactile design to the softly glowing display and the minimal button clutter. Your program options here include deep clean and an excellent whitening mode, and there are 3 intensity settings to suit your mouth just so. The Series 9000 divides your mouth up into 6 sections, with a little buzz telling you when to move on to the next. This is a very interesting feature. So consider this brush for its excellent cleaning, looks and feels very premium and has the best whitening mode. Links are given in the description for various countries. You can check the price and availability in your country and buy it from there. Oral-B Pro 2500 Best Chip Electric Toothbrush. This brush only has 2 cleaning modes and no smart functionality to speak of, but ask yourself, do you really care? So what this excellent and widely recommended brush does have is a timer that reminds you to move to the next quarter of your mouth every 30 seconds. A buzzer that goes off if you are pressing too hard on your delicate gums, and excellent cross-action rotary cleaning that is not noticeably any worse than the Philips brush, which is at the number 1 position. Clearly, the Pro 2500 feels somewhat less plush than the Sonicare brushes here and the more expensive Oral-B ones. The battery life is also shorter and it doesn't come with advanced features, but considering the price, this is the best electric brush you can buy at an affordable price. Consider this brush if you are looking for an affordable and the best electric toothbrush, and it has all the really important features. The only disappointing thing here is it has got only 2 cleaning modes. Philips Sonicare Diamond Clean Sonic. Best electric toothbrush for most of the users. This slightly older, still excellent Sonicare lacks any of those largely pointless smart elements found in some newer brushes but still cleans brilliantly. Many of the users having using this toothbrush from last 3 years have given a very good feedback. This was always an excellent electric toothbrush which justifies its premium price thanks to the quality of its cleaning and the elegance of its design. Nowadays, it's nearly always to be found for around $150 to $200 or £150. Still not cheap as much, but far more affordable than when at launch. This particular model sometimes comes with a wireless charger in the shape of drinking glass for your bathroom. With the 5 cleaning modes and the power of sonic waves, it feels great and gives really superb results. This Diamond Clean toothbrush also has a better battery life than any other brush we have seen so far. This Diamond Clean toothbrush perhaps not quite as good overall as more recent or more new toothbrushes, but the kind of cleaning and experience that this brush gives, it is very good. Consider this brush for its excellent cleaning, quite sexy for a toothbrush. The disappointment here is cumbersome glass charger. Oral-B IO9 Ridiculously premium Oral-B brush with a vibrating and rotating head. This Oral-B electric toothbrush was expensive when it was launched, costing around £500 or $550 to $600. The good news is now that it is available at a discounted price and you can get this toothbrush for a price of £250 or $300 in the international market. The Series 9 has a very major thing going for it. It is brilliant at actually cleaning your teeth and it is also very stylish and well made for an Oral-B brush. They are usually the poor relation to the Philips best Sonicare brushes when it comes to, but this is a match for any Philips brush when it comes to slimline design, nice material and quiet operation. Using a magnetic motor gives the Oral-B an interesting new twist. It is still a rotary head but now has a vibrating mouthfeel, more like a Philips brush. Cleaning results are excellent and there are some great sensitive whitening and deep cleaning programs for those who like to stray away from the daily clean setting. There is a 3D teeth tracking with AI to monitor brushing. This has been tried by Oral-B and Philips before, but it didn't work. Battery life is too good with this brush. And if you're getting this brush for a price of £250 or $300, then this is the best buy. You can buy this brush because it cleans very well, easily the best looking Oral-B brush, and it has got multiple cleaning modes. The disappointments are, tooth tracking is still a fail, insane RRP, and it is hard to keep clean. Philips Sonicare 9900 Prestige, overall the best premium electric toothbrush. The Sonicare 9900 Prestige is Philips' most advanced electric toothbrush yet. It features the brand's Sense IQ technology for a personalized brushing experience, and as you brush, the Sense Q technology senses pressure, motion and coverage up to 100 times per second, adapting the intensity if you push too hard, providing effortless care and better brushing over time. It really simplifies the brushing experience and means you don't need to select different settings every time you want to brush your teeth. The brush pairs perfectly with the Philips Sonicare app, powered by the artificial intelligence for real-time guidance and recommendations. Perhaps best of all, this toothbrush is truly premium device with a gorgeous, seamless design which stops the build-up of gunk and a luxury leather travel case. The Philips Sonicare 9900 Prestige also comes with a new premium all-in-one brush head. Philips claims it removes up to 20x more plaque and 100% fewer stains in just 2 days versus the manual brushing, for a whiter, healthier and effortless smile. Consider this brush for its new all-in-one brush head, automatic intensity settings, luxe travel case, easy to keep clean and USB charging base. The only disappointment here is the premium price tag. So these are the top 5 best electric toothbrushes that you can consider to buy in 2021 and even in 2022. If I had missed any of the best toothbrushes here, please comment in the comment section. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share this video among your friends and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.